Hi guys, my name is LyricRochester. If you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Those of you who have for a long time, so big up on yourself. I know we're not getting as much views as we'd want to, but I know I have a lot of people out there. Big up on yourself. So today I want to talk about my Your True Shade powders. Now these are new from Your True Shade. So they have translucent and they have Bananarama. Now I am wearing them today. Let me just explain something to you before I even get started. Your True Shade is a Jamaican brand, a Jamaican owned brand. These powders were made here in Jamaica by Your True Shade. You guys are not new to Your True Shade. You guys have seen me speak about their lippies. Oh my goodness, I have another video I have to make for you guys about the lippies. I'm going to make it after this video. And I've spoken about their foundations. I've used their statement lips in my tutorial with anti-hyacinth. Yeah, so you guys, and I've used them with my tutorial Chantel. You've seen me use their products. Now let me just say it, and I said this to Your True Shade, you know, I said this to them. I was like, guys, you see your lippies, like their lippies are A1. I am in love with the lippies. Anything they come up with in lippy, I love. I love their matte lippy, I love their glasses, and I love the statement lips. Those three, love. And these, you guys, alright, if you're used to the Sasha Buttercup, then it is very comparable to the Sasha Buttercup. But I would say the Sasha Buttercup is more finely milled, if that makes sense. So this is not the Your True Shade. It's not as finely milled as the Sasha Buttercup. Alright, that's just one. But when I tell you this thing is it is absolutely kit worthy. You know, when I say something is kit worthy, it means that alright, I must spend my money. I apply it wet, I apply it dry. I love when I apply it wet because then it just soaks into my skin. So I apply my highlight and then I apply oh, you guys have seen me use it in my Get Ready With Me, my unedited Get Ready With Me with my pink hair. That went up, when did it go up? That went up this week. That went up on Wednesday. It went up on Wednesday. So I'll link that in the description bar below. But you guys have seen me use this. I use it wet. Now when I use it wet, I apply my concealer. I know your concealer is already moist. Then I apply the powder and I apply it damp. When I tell you, this thing just sinks into your skin and it sets you for life. This is unfiltered. I mean, granted, my skin is looking flawless. Thank you, Belle Esprit. You know, I'm going to be Belle Esprit's spokesperson. I'm speaking that into being right now. I'm going to be the face of Belle Esprit, literally the face of Belle Esprit. But this is about Your True Shade. I'm in love with Your True Shade powders. They're Bananarama. Wink wink, I see what you did there. Get it? Bananarama. And they're translucent powder. Now I did something I've never done. So I normally, you guys see me use this, I normally put this and this together. So I put this on first, then I put this on like in little ears and stuff, and for me it works well. For me it works well. But today I put this on and then I forgot to put this on top of it. So I put this on and I blend it out and like, I began to sweat. Come on, just don't drink my tea. I was drink tea at time and your bother tends to warm up. So I started to sweat. So I was like, oh god, oh no. And I felt like sweat coming on my face. Oh my gosh, let me just, you know, put this under here to just keep these areas, you know, free. I'm in love. I mean, I know I'm set for the gods, honey, but I'm in love. Your True Shade, me tell you this already. I'm gonna tell you again. You find it? Why not go on so? Oh, not do too much. You need to just like bring it in. This is a lot. Translucent is just like Bananarama, but translucent, and it has no color. So this can go for your fairer skin types and this can go for your darker skin types, and you can use both of them wet or dry. Not wet, damp, with a damp sponge or a damp applicator, sorry, or dry. I mean, I'm in love, and I just had to do this video specifically for these. These are amazing. These are amazing. I love them. I love them. I love them. So I want to thank Your True Shade for sending me their powders. They didn't send me to review. They just, because I have a relationship, just sent to them, oh Lyric, I have some stuff. I'm like, okay boo, let me get it. And like, I just had to make a video. I had to make a video. I really had to make a video because one, it's a black owned company, a black owned makeup company, a Jamaican black owned makeup company, a Jamaican black owned makeup company that makes themselves, a Jamaican black owned makeup company that makes themselves and sells it at Fontana Pharmacy. What more you want? What more you want? What? Okay. Thank you, Your True Shade, for sending me this these powders. They've been a lifesaver, and I'm like, I have to get these. I'm buying these for my kid because I need it in my kid. They are, and I tell you, they're not as finely milled as the Sasha, and they're not as finely milled as the Benai, and they're definitely not as finely milled as that Laura Mercier. Like that Laura Mercier is like butter. But when I say these are, they're just phenomenal. They're just phenomenal. And the gag is, it's a black owned makeup brand that's Jamaican, and they make them here in Jamaica. You must support your own. You must support. Must support. Must support. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, I'm back vlogging. My vlog channel is Lyric Uncut. I have a video coming up on how I am getting rid of my back fat, and that will be up next week, Tuesday. A vlog channel, Lyric Uncut, we upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and here on LyricRochester, we upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And yeah, my makeup classes are coming up in Tamarack, Florida. The cost is $495 until the 1st of August, because the real price is $599, but I took off an entire $100. But after the 1st of August, the price goes back to being $595. The first 10 students, they get the Dipped in Elegance brush set absolutely free. All the students who will be attending will get goodie bags from Juvia's Place. Goodie bags. In the goodie bags, they have items from Juvia's Place, from Brushfolio, from Glam by Isaken, from Beauty Blender, and of course, I mean, Poem by Lyric, Shades by Gal. Those two brands will be sponsoring the event as well. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pumped. Got my ticket. Bought it. I'm ready. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.